Big news, $715,000 is the new conforming loan amount just released, and we can now close loans at $715,000 as the new conforming loan amount. Both United Wholesale Mortgage and Rocket Pro TPO, the two large wholesalers. And, you know, if you're a broker out there, you can't use both of them, right? Don't use both of them, whatever you do. Anyway, they both announced $715,000 is the new loan amount. And exciting news, I understand it's going to be 719 and some change, rumor has it, when the official loan amount comes out. But until then, we're able to honor these, and we're pretty excited about it. It's a big opportunity for home buyers out there, home sellers too. It just gives buyers a little more opportunity to get more loan for a better rate than going to high balance or jumbo, which may have more complications, etc. So big opportunity out there. And we'll see what happens with the official conforming loan amount as time goes on. But, you know, do get it pre-approved with us. Or if you want to cash out to that 715, we're the shop for you. In other news, as far as rates go, rates were not our friend this week. They did go up again. I think they ended Friday a hair lower than last week. But for a time this week, the words 14-year highs were mentioned. A big part of it was certain Fed members announced hiking rates to 0.75 of a point in September instead of the original 50 basis points that was talked about, and then another 0.75 of a point rate hike later in the year, which will take the federal funds rate to 4% as we enter 2023. All right, so taking a look at rates this week, we ended 5.97 as the national average, according to our friends at Mortgage News Daily. That is 3 or 4 basis points lower than last week. However, on a rate sheet, I really feel like rates are just higher this week. I don't know. But we were at 5.25. Again, this is our base price. This isn't apples to apples. This is a rate term refi, 65% LTV. The conforming loan amount of $647,200. I did not use 715. And so you can see, once again, we're still a good 75 basis points, you know, on base price versus national average. We're seeing, you know, we're heads and tails lower as usual. So just remember that. Looking for a rate, always shop with an independent mortgage brokerage that works for the people. Trademark like Fresh Home Loan. I'm Garrick Wardmuller. Have a great day. Thanks for liking and subscribing and all that good stuff.
Yeah, Fresh Home Loan Inc. You want mortgage rates without breaking your bank? Well, I got what you need. I'll keep it 100. The very best lender. We sell money, yeah. There's really no equal. Independent mortgage brokers that work for the people. I know that the pandemic's brought many problems. What we offer is better rates.